guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today we're doing an Amazon video. I'm so excited because all of my deliveries, aside from one thing that is on back order until September or something, I wasn't about to wait for that to come in for this video today, but I really wanted to share things on Amazon that you didn't know that you needed. I'm gonna put you guys on to some fun stuff. Some of these things are new to me, some of these things are repurchases, some of these items are things that I have had sitting in my save for later cart. I don't know about you guys, but I have the most random things in that cart. Let's get into this video. I have a little mix of like everything here to share, and hopefully Leroy is like super chill. He has his toy out and nothing is so loud, so please forgive us in the background. So yeah, shout out Amazon Prime. I will link below the exact sellers that I ordered from and these items as well, so you guys can pick them up. So definitely check out the description box below to get into that. But the first item happens to be a skincare goodie. I've been trying to get my hands on a facial steamer for so long. Like, I used to go get chemical peels and stuff from a lady here in LA. Rona happened, so I haven't really been out to do that, and I really missed doing the extractions. That was like my favorite part of the entire facial, was getting the steam put on, having her pop my pimps. Like, it was amazing. So I'm not gonna be picking and digging at my face, but I do want to have that extra. All right, can you sit down? Can you just wait for mommy to be done? Ooh wee. Let's give him a little blanket. Can you just chill and just wait for mommy? Good boy. Sorry guys, his toy is so loud and he loves it so much. But I wanted to get a facial steamer really to go in with my skincare products and allow them to really penetrate my skin a little bit better. And I just know that my skin has been kind of dry, so that humidity will be really nice to get my skin back to a good place. So I just got this nano facial steamer. Honestly, I picked it out because the price tag had really good ratings and it was pink, which is my favorite color. So I'm gonna set this up and put it to use and see how I like it compared to not having a facial steamer. And I used to do it old school, where I would just boil some water on the stovetop and then just hover over it, but I don't know, that sounds like a fire hazard if you ask me. So let's see what this is looking like. I'm interested to see the exact size, but I cannot wait to have little spa nights. Oh, it comes with some extra things in here. So it looks like a little head wrap. Keep your hair up out of your face, love that. And then the actual steamer. Ooh, it also comes with extracting tools. I don't think I'm gonna be really using these. Maybe on like my nose to get that gunk out of it, but I don't touch my face. I don't like to be digging at my face because I do have hyperpigmentation and I feel as though that'll make it worse. This is a little cup to fill it up with. This is the top. Me doing a proper unboxing, and then this guy is really tiny. Oh, right, this will be perfect for small spaces if you don't have a ton of room like me. This will just pop underneath, you know, your bathroom sink area. Oh my god, yes, moisture. I'm at the spa, but I'm really in my apartment. This was the best $20. Best believe if I didn't have on makeup right now, my face would be all up in this goodness. Ooh, this guy's little, but she puts out a lot. So love the color, love the size, love the price. Definitely will be linking this little guy down below. I feel like it's essential these days when, I don't know, like, I feel like you're wearing a mask all the time and you're breathing in your mask. It's a lot of bacteria, so skincare really is super crucial for me, and that's what I'm trying my best to pay a lot more attention to my skincare routine. So really excited to have this in my life. Okay, let's move on to this package right here. Like, I always wonder, how do they ship stuff together at Amazon, because the warehouse must be insane. I don't know. If you work at Amazon, let us know the tea in the comments down below. So the next thing that I ordered is an essential oil. I got this rosemary essential oil. I'm gonna be doing my own DIY blend for beauty and stuff like that, so I'll probably come back maybe next week or the week after and do a video for that, basically how to stimulate fast hair growth. So this was one of the things that I needed to order for my recipe that I'm gonna be trying out. The next thing I got, ooh, 3 things shipped in this box. These 2 came together. I really only needed 1, but whatever. So this is a little empty dropper bottle. So you can do fun DIYs, make up your own little concoctions like a scientist. And this is what I'm gonna be using for my little concoction that I kind of want to do tonight, because now I'm excited. I have all this stuff to play with, and it's just literally the most random things, and that's why I love Amazon, because you can order them, they all come like 2 days, and then you don't have to go to a bunch of different places, right? So the next 2 things, these 2 came together, and let me put you guys on to the most delicious dairy-free snacks, okay? It's hard out here to have fun things to eat when you are limited to certain foods and you grew up eating Cheez-Its. And I was obsessed with Cheez-Its, you guys. I would always go to the vending machine and get a little bag of Cheez-Its before class in high school. So this kind of brings back those memories. These are not exactly Cheez-Its, but they taste pretty like them, as close as you will get. And these are the Earth Balance vegan cheddar flavor squares. They're salty and just so freaking good. So I always get them on Amazon. I do feel like it's a markup, but the convenience of it is there, and I love to have these on hand. It's like my naughty treat. So if you guys are dairy free, you're vegan, you're plant-based, you want to eat less dairy, definitely recommend trying these out. I love them so much. Next, we have this little guy. This shipped in its original box, so it had the label on it. So if you're worried about, I don't know, people knowing what you order, maybe don't order this, I don't know. But I have an air purifier in my studio apartment, which is crucial because it's one big room. I'm cooking, I have a dog, so there's a little bit of dander from time to time. There's dust. I live in LA, full of pollution. So it's really important for me to have clean air in my apartment. So I ordered a replacement filter. I'm gonna show you what the filter looks like when I take it out to put the new one in, and it lasts me a few months, but it was dying or it was full or whatever, so it said, girl, go get a new one. So I just ordered this. It was under $20. My actual purifier is under $100, and it's pretty petite and it fits really nicely in my space. So I just want to show you what is in my air and what is potentially in your air, okay? I don't think you want to be breathing that stuff in, especially if you suffer from allergies and all of that stuff. Get a freaking air purifier. So this is my little petite compact air filter, which I haven't been running because the filter has been dead. So come through Amazon. Here's the new filter. This is what it's supposed to look like, right? When you first get it. This just screws back. Look at that dust already flying out. Ooh, nasty. This is what's in your air, bro. This is what you want to be breathing in? I don't think so. Oh my God, I have no words, but all I'm saying is get a freaking air filter and your life will be forever changed. It's kind of disturbing. So anyways, I'm gonna put the new one in here and pop this back on. Easy, just like that. See how it's on and you can barely hear it? That's why I love this thing. Listen, I've had these in my freaking cart, save for later, for so long, and I finally just said, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and order these. And you guys know I love getting workout clothes on Amazon. I wear the same shorts on Amazon all the time. I have them in every single color, and I highly recommend them, so I'll just drop the link for that down below. But I was looking for the perfect pair of like booty contouring leggings. These have a scrunch in them and they're actually textured, and I fell in love with the color combination of these. You see how it kind of dips in the butt area? It's supposed to accentuate your juicy booty, and it has a little scrunch here. So I'm gonna try these on and see if they look as good as they did in the actual listing. These also came in a ton of different colors, but I personally really liked this white mixed with this gray color. It has a really thick band I got these in a size small. They do have small, medium, and large with a sizing chart, so definitely check that out. And they're super stretchy just firsthand. Like, look at that. Bro. And they have a texture to them, so I think that'll really add something different to just basic leggings. And if I like them, you already know I'm about to get them in every freaking color. So let's hope that these fit my leg length as well, because I was not looking for a cropped legging. All right, it's moment of truth. Gotta try on the booty scrunch leggings. It looks like a wedgie, I'm not even gonna front, and I think that is the secret to making your bum just, you know what I mean, just look real juicy, real tight. And I'm hoping these are gonna be squat proof. All right, so here are the leggings. First off, I have to say, I love how stretchy these are, and they go all the way down to my ankles, and I have really long legs for my body. Like I said, they're textured, so that's really fun. I've never had a textured legging like this. I love the colorway. I like how high-waisted these are. Ooh, wait! Oh my god, I was not prepared for that. Love that these go over my belly button. I like how thick. You hear that? These go. And this little dip. Ooh, she has a butt. What? Are they squat proof? I'm trying to see. Hold on. I'm gonna have to go back and edit and look. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in love. I just love when I find new workout things on Amazon because it's so freaking convenient. Sizing chart A1, it's a yes for me. I think the scrunch is pretty subtle, so. Okay, Amazon, take all my money. I'm excited for these. These were also super affordable. They have the best, I'm telling you, the best workout clothes, and I have some of my favorite picks over on my Amazon page. So if you are trying to browse for all my fitness favorites, food favorites, beauty favorites, home stuff favorites, definitely check that out in the description box below. This right here is another super exciting order, and I have been meaning to find a new makeup mirror for my vanity desk area, and this one just looks so good. It was a really good price. I think it was like $50, and my current makeup mirror is on its last limb. I feel like it is possessed because it keeps flickering on and off continuously, and it's a headache to do my makeup, so I bit the bullet, bought this. It had pretty good reviews, and most importantly, it just looks really cute, and I wanted an upgrade, so she got an upgrade. Oh man, I don't want to get styrofoam everywhere, so let's try and get this out with ease. Oh, and this is called the Hollywood Makeup Mirror. And what I liked about it is the fact that it looked like an actual like impressions vanity mirror, which are super popular on Instagram if you guys are familiar, except it's pretty small and just like tabletop. So it hopefully will give me that effect. I'll set it up off camera and then show you guys, but this is how it comes packed, and you can tell it's pretty small. So I hope it came with the folds. Oh yeah, oh perfect, it's already in there. Ooh, okay, the stand is really nice. I love how big this is also compared to my little Conair round mirror. I mean, it did its job, but this is such an upgrade. So it's a little touch screen, and it just has a power button on it, it looks like. It also has the plug to plug it in. And then this looks like, oh nice. This is like a super scary mirror. You know, the ones that are so zoomed in. I'm sorry, but I don't like these. Once you start getting up close and personal, it's like a war zone. But if you want it, you can stick it on to the mirror. So that's a little bonus piece. So I think this is probably my favorite purchase in this whole haul, next to the leggings. So this is such a cute little upgrade for my vanity, and I don't know what this is. I mean, I don't really need a manual, right? You just turn the thing on. Ooh, okay, so it also tilts. That's cool. Allegedly. There we go. So you can get that perfect angle, but I like how slim, you see, this little guy is. So I'm gonna plug this in and show you guys what it looks like fully lit up. And I already did my makeup today, but I wish I had this morning so I could really see what the heck is going on. Here we are, back with another little setup. So this is the makeup mirror, and I have it plugged. Oh, whoa, are you guys blind? Okay, so it's so lit that you guys can't see how lit it actually is. Oh! Oh! There's oh my, it's over. This is what I look like. Listen, I played myself with my other makeup mirror because this is so lit that I'm seeing everything. Like, I did not blend my under eye. I got a little pimp right here, but this is about to change everything for me. What does this do? I don't know, I just like the interface. I like how minimal and simplistic it is. I like the Hollywood feel for under $50 and how slim this is. It doesn't take up a lot of space at all. In fact, I can move it over here. That's even better just for positioning purposes. Amazon never lets me down. Oh my God, go get this if you get anything. I'm just telling you. I feel like everyone needs this mirror. Oh my God, yes. Okay, I feel like I want to like do my makeup all over again now. Like, I'm inspired. Just want to sit here every day. And even if you don't need a makeup mirror, if you need lighting, this is amazing for you. $50. Get you on Amazon. This is my old mirror, okay? It served its purpose for 7 years, but it's busted. It has gotta go. She has been replaced. We have moved on. So I figured out what the P does, because I don't like to read directions. Look at this. Oh, it dims. Oh my God, it dims. This is everything I didn't know that I needed to get. Look how slow and sexy it dims too. I'm sorry, but I could be here all day playing with this. The last two things that I ordered were like food favorites, you guys, and these two came together, and I got the hot and spicy and the mild traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning, and this is how they come. A little bit definitely goes a long way. I really like putting these in the crock pot, specifically on chicken thighs. Something about this is just so good. So I pair it with like rice and then some veg on this side. So this is my go-to if I'm really feeling like I want to whip it up in the kitchen really quick and I want to have something spicy and flavorful that I don't normally always have. So definitely check these out if you're looking for some fun seasonings to add into your regular meal plans. I think this is just so good. It's a little salty, but it's so bomb. But yo, these leggings are so nice. I don't want to take them off. Let me know down below if you guys are as obsessed with Amazon as I am. And those are just a little bit of my favorite things. I feel like these are things that you need to get on Amazon that maybe you didn't know that you needed to check out. I'm gonna put you guys onto all of these things. So if you guys love Amazon just as much as I do, definitely check out the links down below, and you can head over to my Amazon page if you like my favorite things. I have the most like amazing things over on my Amazon page that are all categorized from home, fitness, weight loss, beauty, fashion, like all that good stuff is linked down below. So definitely check that out. And what are the things that are left in your save for later? I feel like that'll be interesting. Like the most random things, drop it down below. Let us know, put us on, you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.